Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about how I got 10,000 followers, how you can get 10,000 followers, and what are the pros and cons of having 10,000 followers by using my tricks. It's exactly not my tricks. Let me tell you a little backstory. It was about 2019, and in 2019 I saw some YouTube videos. Those people are saying that you should follow other people's to gain some followers, and it was very exciting for me. At that point I had around 3,800 something like followers, and I was posting like photography pictures. Right now I don't have all of them on my profiles, but I used to post those kind of photography pictures on my Instagram, and that was what I was doing at that point. I was getting decent likes like 700, 800, someday even 2,000. It's just a lucky day maybe, and that was what I was getting. But it is very hard to gain 10,000 followers. You may know that in 10,000 followers we get a swipe up links in the story, and it was very important for me because I was getting 1 or 2 brand deals also in Instagram, and that swipe up link was very important for me, and that is the reason I thought, how can I get 10,000 followers? Back in 2019, exactly, it's the end of 2019, I started to follow people's to gain more followers, and that is what I was doing at that time. I was following people, and people were following me back, and I was getting nearly around 200 to 300 followers each and every day, and that was just ridiculous, and I was doing that every single day. You may know that we can only follow 160 peoples and unfollow 160 peoples every hour, and I was also doing that same things. I was following 160 peoples, unfollowing 160 peoples, and that is exactly what I was doing at that point. And I was gaining very good amount of followers every day, like 300, some days even 450, 60, 62 something like followers. I can remember like someday I got 462, and that was the maximum I was getting every day. And that means you can also get around 10,000 followers just in a month, like in a month or so, something like that. So gaining 10,000 followers is just nothing. It is very easy. But I gained around 16,700 followers back in February 2020. And right now I have around 11,100 followers, and those followers are just decreasing day by day. It had to happen if you don't know what you are doing right now. I also didn't know that what I was doing at that point, because I was following people's gaining followers. I was very happy. I was getting some brand deals, I was earning from Instagram, and it was just very good. Suddenly I just saw something on my Instagram profile that I was not getting so much likes. My likes are decreasing day by day, my followers are going day by day, and it was very confusing at that point. And I had 16,800, 900 followers. After one day I had around 16,500 followers, and those followers are just going away every single day. Right now I have only 11,100 followers, and even on those 11,100 followers there are many bots in my opinion, because I get only 30, 40, some days even 150, 60 likes on my Instagram post, whereas I was getting 700, 800 and even 2,000 followers, as I told you. And other than that I was getting consistent 800 to 900 likes, but right now I get around sometimes 160 if I am so much lucky, and that is what is going on my Instagram. So now let's talk about the pros and the cons. So the pro is you will have 10,000 followers. You can show off in front of your friends that yeah, I have 10,000 followers, and that is what you can do. Number one thing. Number two, you may get some brand deals because of those 10,000 followers. Number three, you are going to get swipe up link, and that is very amazing, as I have right now. So you are also going to get swipe up link on your Instagram profile. So those are the 3 pros you are going to get by having 10,000 followers, or more than that one. Actually you can get more than 100,000 followers every year, and that's just crazy what Instagram is right now. Okay, now let's talk about the cons. Number one con: most of your followers are not going to engage with your post. That means they are not going to like, comment, share or anything like that. And number two, they are also not going to see your Instagram's story, and that is what it is. If you are going to follow this many peoples, you are gaining that many peoples, and those people are not genuinely liking your posts, genuinely not following you because of your contents. They're just following you because they just want follow back from you, and doing that, you are just making your Instagram profile dead like me. Don't do that, because I just made my Instagram profile dead by myself doing just nothing. I just follow people. Right now they follow me, but my Instagram profile is dead, and that is what you should just never do. Every professional Instagram users will say don't do those kind of things. If you have 2500 2600 followers but having good engagement, that is far better than someone having 10,000 or 12,000 Instagram followers. And let me know in the comment section, do you want to know how I earned from Instagram easily, just very easily? If you just want to know, let me know in the comment section. I'll make another video with all of those proofs of earnings. Anyway, goodbye.